Good evening, sir. This is C. Nikhila from first year ECE B section, and my roll number is 2340180481, and my topic name is Principal Construction and Operation of DC Generator. Introduction to DC generators. DC generators are electromechanical devices that convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. They operate based on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. DC generators are widely used in various applications such as power generation, electric vehicles, and industrial machinery. Basic construction of DC generators. DC generators consist of a stationary part called the stator and a rotating part called the rotor. The stator includes the field windings, which produce a magnetic field when current flows through them. The rotor, also known as the armature, contains armature windings where the electrical energy is generated. Working principle of DC generators. When the rotor rotates within the magnetic field produced by the stator, an electromotive force is induced in the armature windings. This induced EMF causes current to flow through the armature windings. The armature windings are connected to external circuitry, allowing the generated electrical energy to be utilized. Types of DC generators. DC generators can be classified into two main types. First one is separately excited and second one is self-excited. First one, separately excited generators have a separate power source for the field windings. Second one is self-excited generators have the field windings connected in series or parallel with the armature windings. Construction of separately excited DC generators. Separately excited DC generators have a separate field winding circuit powered by an external source. The field windings are typically made of copper wire wound around an iron core to enhance the magnetic field. The armature windings are connected to the external load circuit. Construction of self-excited DC generators. Self-excited DC generators use a portion of the generated output voltage to power the field windings. There are three types of self-excited generators. First one is series and the second one is shunt and third one is compound. In series generator, the field windings are connected in series with the armature windings. Operations of series DC generator. In series DC generators, the armature and field windings are connected in series. The output voltage is directly proportional to the load current. Series generators are mainly used in applications requiring high starting torque such as electric locomotives. Operation of shunt DC generators. In shunt DC generators, the field windings are connected in parallel within the armature windings. The output voltage remains relatively constant regardless of the load current. Shunt generators are commonly used in applications requiring a constant voltage supply such as residential power systems. Operation of compound DC generators. Compound DC generators have both series and shunt field windings. The output voltage of the compound generator is a combination of the series and shunt field effects. There are two types of compound generators. First one is cumulative compound and second one is differential compound. Conclusion. DC generators are essential devices for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. They operate based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Understanding the construction and operation of DC generators is crucial for their proper utilization in various applications. Thank you, sir.